Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off dark mode in Word. It's a very simple thing to do and some people might prefer it one way or another, so it's up to you what you want to leave afterwards. But to do this, just head over to File. Once you're here, you want to go down to the very bottom right before Options and click on Account. Once you're here, you can see there's an Office theme. Right now I have set it to colorful, but if you want to set it to something else, just click the drop down menu and select dark gray, and you can see it will switch to dark gray everywhere. It's a very easy on dice mode, but if you don't like it, you can always switch back to white or colorful or dark gray again. It all depends on you. But anyway, this is the way to do it, and I hope it helped you. So see you next time and have a nice day. Like and subscribe.